Good morning, guys. Today is a day 3, and last night we slept here in the village named Gandhari, and we already get ready. Everything is fine now. Yesterday we slept very nicely here, and right now the cold is not that much, but you can see how it is beautiful in the early morning. We already fresh and we have done everything, our brush and press, and we already had our tea also. Now we are just waiting for a breakfast at 7 a.m. Once we will done our breakfast, then we will leave this place around 8 a.m. from that side. Yeah, so right now everyone they are doing unpack all the tent, and soon we will leave. And here we got all the breakfast also, for on the way we will have our breakfast, or you can have as a lunch. Anything is fine. And here we have a hot water. Whoever want, they can fill their bottle. Yeah, so we have just started our trail to go to the next destination, that is Rain Basera. On the way so many view will come, and let's see how it's gonna be happen. Everyone are on going on the queue, and we are waiting for this sunlight to get a warm quickly. That is so amazing place right now. We are leaving this village. I'm just standing on the last in the queue. Everyone is going next to us. इसकी माँ किधर है?
दो बच्चे हैं ना, एक
अच्छा अच्छा,
एक पाल सकते हैं, एक इधर दूसरे को दे।
हाँ सही है। ये मेल है? We already walk around 1 hour, and right now it is a 9. The time is 9 a.m. and the road is pretty much good. We cannot say it's a road actually. It's a path, trail, and you can see how it is. On the way there are so many small water string is there, and we have to walk very carefully on that. The good thing is we have a good shoes with a good grip, so no need to worry about that. Every step will be fine. I guess we reached to our resting point, and looks like a small dhaba also is there for a refreshment, and you can have something. Everyone are waiting for us. Anyway, here there is no dhaba and all. There is no any small shop to buy anything. We just stop here for a refreshment. And this is what and how we are getting a drinking water. This is the resource, small resource is there in the mountain, and this water you can drink actually. Yeah, so let's fill some water from the mountain. That is a mineral water actually. So that is good for drinking actually. Water is pretty much cold, but anyway. It is so fresh. Not bad. Some trekkers are so fast, they walk so fast here. But on the way we can see so many beautiful scenery. Yeah, we just stop here for taking a rest, and we just change all the cloth and all. We remove our jacket, hoodies and long sleeve t-shirt because now we are feeling very warm, and it is okay to go like this. How the sun will go on the top, we will feel very hot. And see the beautiful trail. So after 1 hour walking, we just reached to one small village that is name is Osla. You can see on the above small house is there. That is Osla village. And here some bro, come this side. Some news is coming. Every time you have to give a pass to them. Okay, let's start now. We already took a break around 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Let's go with them. It's now 10:30. We almost reached. Now we reached to Seema after crossing that Osla village. And here you can see a beautiful temple. That is Shiv Parvati. While crossing this Seema village, we saw the beautiful hanging bridge here. I think right now it's not usable, looks like that, because look, some of the part is broken, but it's very beautiful here. But we have to go like this way. Wow. Everyone stop here for having some refreshment. So we have a roti and some potato veggie. Let's eat and we'll get some energy and all. Just imagine you are eating a ठीक ठाक है. Our speed also is good as per the track leader. So let's finish our refreshment as a lunch. We will get lunch later also. Right now the time is 12, huh?
12.
12. Let's eat. The time is now 2:28. We just stop here for a rest. And now we already rest here for a 10 minutes. Time to move now. Here you can see the camp. That camp is not belongs to us. Some other group are coming here. Now in that side we can see the high peak full of snow and all, and this side also is the mountain is very high. The cloud is touching the cliff, and wind also is going so fast, and now the trail is very easy to walk. Earlier it was too much ascending. Everything is fine now. We are going pretty much good, and we have to walk another 1 hour to reach our camp. Then I will show you how it will be. Everyone is coming behind me, and I am the leading right now. Right now we are doing decline, and decline is not that much hard, but it's okay. And while declining we have to cross this river, and you can see a beautiful bridge is there. That is a wooden bridge. That view is a very rare view. Wait. So finally we reached to our next camp. That is a number 2, and that place name is Rain Basera. Here there is no valley and all, no villagers. Only we will be there, and the time is now 3:21. So we started a trekking around morning 8 a.m. and now the time is 3:21. So it is almost 7.5 hours to reach here to this camp, and today we will take a rest here only, and tomorrow we will start our trekking for the next base camp. The place is looking so nice. So here is our camp. Those two small tent is for number 1, number 2, and that is our sleeping camp. And this is a kitchen area. Nice. Almost हम लोग का tent ready है. Our tent is already ready now. Now we have to find our sleeping bag. We have to get sleeping bag from there. Then we will have a tea break. It's time to go out from the tent. We already took too much rest now, and it's already evening time. And now they have a soup, hot soup. 5:39. And cold is too much now. We already wearing a 3-layer inner layer, then fleece jacket, then one more jacket and gloves. And behind us, they are serving a soup, hot soup. Oh, sorry.
किसी ने हिम्मत नहीं है
Let's have a soup. So how is going on? We already had a dinner and everything was good. Dinner was also good. And day 3 is also in here at Ren Basera camp. And the time is now 9:31. We are about to sleep now because tomorrow again we have to repeat the same schedule that we have to wake up early morning in the 6, then 7 a.m. breakfast and 8 a.m. we have to leave this camp. And the cold is too much. I'm just wearing a jacket, at least 3-layer I'm wearing right now. So the cold is too much now. I think the temperature is around 5 degree, I believe. Let's sleep now. Good night. We'll see you tomorrow morning.